Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you're a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra user, so there are multiple new updates available that you guys might be missing out. Today in this video we'll check out those updates. Starting off with the first update, so simply go into the settings of your device, then tap on software update. So there's a new 5th April update available of 756 MBs in size. If we talk about the last update on this device, so the last update was of 5th April as well, but that was of 500 MBs around. But we have another update of this 5th April of 700 plus MBs. If we talk about what's new available, so it includes some security improvements and bug fixes that were there before. To update it, simply tap on update and make sure that your battery percentage is above 30%, and once it is above 30% you can update it. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you can install it on your device. If we talk about some bugs or issues, so I was facing a brightness issue. The brightness of my phone was going up randomly. And the update is finally downloaded. Now you just have to simply tap on restart now to complete the installation process. Make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your phone during this installation process. You can also schedule this restart. So once your phone is ready, simply tap on restart now and the installation process will begin. So there's another update also available that you guys might be missing out. For that, simply go into the settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now from here, tap on updates. From here, tap on Google Play System Update. So the last update was of 1st March, and now you have the latest update available of April, which is 10 MBs in size. Simply tap on download and install. To complete the installation process, restart now. And this is how you can update your phone on the latest Google Play System update. Now if you go into the settings of your device, then tap on security and privacy and then tap on updates, so you will get to see that both the security update and the Google Play System update are on the latest April patch. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some 2 new security updates available for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your phone or not yet. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.